In this video, we're going to walk you through how to swap phone on Jumia. So people have been asking online on how to swap phone on Jumia. So basically, Jumia is not actually offering phone swapping, but wait, I'm going to show you some other competitors or other companies that can actually help you in swapping your old phone to new one, and maybe you're gonna add little money to that. So once what you just have to do is just go back away from your Jumia app, then you can come down to this website, which is car care. You can see swap your old Infinix Techno item phone for new one in Nigeria. You can see right there. So let me click on that. So I'm going to show you the inside of this platform, and I'm very sure car care is actually available in almost every state in Nigeria now. As I can tell, in my own state, car care is available, you can see, and they will definitely be offering this service everywhere as long as they are available in that state. You can see swap your old Infinix Techno. What do you do with your old phone when it's sold? So you can see, do you trash them, blah blah blah. So you can see swap available now at car care. You can see make a reservation to swap your Infinix phone or itel. So I think these are the brand they're actually working with, because they already stated all the phone right there. So just read this through, or if you don't want to go through all this stress, the best thing you can actually do is to go to their office near you. Just search for car care near me, then you're gonna see if they're available, or the location, local government, state, area they actually located in. Then you can visit and make an inquiry if they can actually collect your phone and give you a new one. And you can also see their frequently asked question right here. What mobile phone can I swap with? So you can see you can swap to any Techno, Infinix or itel mobile phone model. Where can I swipe my phone? You can go to the recycle appointment link, log in with your account, and during you make an appointment, you can check shop with recycling support. So you don't have to go through all this stress. Just go to their office if you have one near you, then they're gonna help you out. Can I swap two phones for one phone? Yes, if the value of the phone of the two phone is lower than the cost of the phone you actually want to swap to. Can I swap my phone for money? Sorry, you cannot exchange your phone for the money. Only phone will be given in exchange. That's quite great. Can I swap a broken phone? Yes, you can. Broken phone unaccepted. All phone to be swapped must be in working condition, usable. We will not swap phones that are dead or not powering. And they also provide a note to that your phone needs to be inspected at our service center to get a valuation. You can see exactly what I'm telling you. So if you are trying to apply online, that might be a stress for you. All you just have to do, just go to their nearest office, and you're gonna see a best deal for yourself. So this way you're gonna be able to swap your phone for a more better deal, or for a new phone. And if you have any question, you can let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.